Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option System and Update. Then let's tap on Reset Phone, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on Reset if you're ready. And as you can see here, we've got the information, and we just successfully reset all network preferences. Be aware, because you cannot undo this action, so perform it only when you are sure that you want to do it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.